Yeah, hello guys. How are you all doing? Welcome to another video in Code Intuition. So in this video, we are going to solve the problem number 122 in LeetCode best time to buy and sell stock. So what's the difference between the first buy and sell stock and this is? So in the first one, we only need to find only one occurrence itself. So here we need to check when we can grab the profit from the trades we made. Okay, so how to do this? So for finding this, we can take these values and take the values. So here we have a we need to take two pointers here for solving this. So for this, the main idea is we need to find the values. We need to find the highest trade, and we need to add that to the sum. So if we get any type of highest trade, we need to add up to the sum, and after that we can return the sum. So total entire sum we need to return. For that, what we need to check, we need to buy a stock which is having very less, or which is less than the next days. Okay, so here when we check 7 and 1, so 7 is greater than 1. So if we buy on 7 and we sell on 1, we will have -6 loss. So that means this is not a fair one. So for that, what we need to do, we need to buy on 1, and after that we can sell on 5. That means our profit will be 4, right? After that again we will check, and 5 and 3 we will check. We cannot sell on buy on 5 and sell on 3. So then what we'll do, we'll move to 3 and we will check. Okay, this value is less than, so 3 is less than 6. Then what we can do, we can buy on third and we can sell on 6. That means 6 minus 3, the profit we are having is 3. So the total profit here will be 7. Total sum will be 7, and we'll check for the last two also. For checking this, so again our left value is greater than right, so this is false. So here what we need to check, we need to check until our left value is less than right. We need to add that value, into the sum. Okay, we need to add that into the sum, or else we can move our left and right pointers. So for this, what we can take, we can take two pointers here. Wait a second. We can take two pointers which is left and right. We can keep here, and we will check it the same thing here. As I said, we'll check. I will tell for one iteration. So for the first iteration, we will check left is less than right or not. No, it's false. Then we will move our left and right. Our left will be coming here and our right will be here, and we will check here. Now after checking, our left is less than right or not. Yes, it's true. After getting 2, we need to add that into the sum. 4, 5 minus 1. Our sum value is 4 now. And here is our low, and this is our right. Our right is at 0, 1, 2, 2, and our left is at 1. Right. After okay, we have added that, and we will move our left and right pointer again. After moving 2, this is 3, right? And we will check once again. 5 is greater value than 3. No, we cannot do anything. We will just move the values of both of them. So again, after moving this as well, what we'll check here, and again we will check the same thing. 3 is less than 6. Okay, the value is satisfied. So we will add that into the sum. What is the value? 6 minus 3. So we will check until our loop gets ended. So we will check like if our left is less than the array and our right is less than array, we can check until this. So we can write the code and see for this. We'll take an integer left equals to 0 and we'll take an integer right as first index at first index, and we will take an integer sum equals to 0, and we will run until our left is less than prices dot length and right is less than prices dot length. What we'll check here for prices of left is less than prices of right, then we can add that into our sum, right? We'll add that into our sum. Prices of right minus prices of left. If this value will satisfy or not, the value is satisfied or not, what we need to do, we need to increment our right. Won't stop incrementing our right and left. You can just return the sum here. So after returning the sum, we can get the value what we are looking for. We'll check once. Okay, got accepted and submit once. Yes, got the answer. So for this, the time complexity and space complexity also I will explain. What is TC and SC here? So we are just traversing our entire array. So our time complexity will be O of n, and space, coming to the space, we are not using any type of extra data structure right here. We are just using the pointers to achieve the answer. So our space will be O of 1. Yeah, that's it about this video, guys. I hope you guys understood. If it is helpful, please try to like and subscribe. It will help for me. Okay, thank you guys.